Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Jimmy Mastery. Let's play some Baccarat, guys. Let's do a free tutorial for you guys. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Let's have some fun and play a nice session. We have 20 green, 20 black. I do have, well, never mind. Let's just get into it. All right, let me go ahead. Let me go ahead and do 2 green on bank. Here we go. Okay, that is a 3 against the 1. 7 against the 1. We're going to lose. Player will win. There's our first one of the shoe, guys. Okay, now I am going to play my money management the way that I would if I was at, playing for real, okay? And the only thing that will be different is I'm going to be playing every hand, which is not what I do. I usually play triggers, which is what my training shows, but I don't play every hand, so it's much more difficult this way. Harder to win here than it is at the casino. The casino is much easier than here because I have to play for entertainment purposes, but I still try to show a lot of intelligent things here that I like to teach, to teach you guys. All right, so we lose there. Let's just go with bank right now. Okay, they have a natural 8 and we have a 1. We're going to lose. We had an opportunity there, but it didn't work out. All right, so it looks like player is going to start off with a run. And now we'll go 1 black on player. Okay? We have a 2. They have a 1. We have a 4, and they have a 2. We're going to get that victory. So player drops again. All right, we'll go back to 2. We have a 7. They're going to be reduced to a 4, and they're going to be reduced to a 0. So we're going to get that one as well. So we got a nice little win streak here with player. Well, I wouldn't say a win streak. I would say a drop streak. We're 50-50 right now. We're 50%, which is good, which is fine. All right. So we're not going to try to time when this is going to change, okay? We don't do that. So what I'll do, I'm going to see if we can get one more out of it, okay? All right, here we go. Yeah, we got a natural 9. This sucker is on fire, huh? Player is on fire. All right, we're going to definitely bring this back down to 2 green. Hi, everybody. Hope you are enjoying today's free tutorial. Welcome to jimmymastery.com. This is where you guys would go to get your private training. If you want to improve your game, I highly recommend that you participate with my training that I offer you. It's the #1 Baccarat training in the world. The win rate will go up 35%. It's private access only. I will show you how to do the proper bet sizing, the strategies, and the trigger entries. All of those are extremely important, okay? Now here's the website itself. This is jimmymastery.com. You'll get here and just click up here at the top left. You'll select Baccarat private courses. This little lady will pop up. Click on her. And then here you are opening up all of the different options that you have, okay? The most popular one where everybody gets is this one right here. This is called the Baccarat Total Package. This is the most valuable one that I have for you that gives you basically everything that you need to become successful. You get 3 private videos, gets the money management, you get the bet sizing, you get the triggers, you get everything you need to know right here. This will be 3 videos, video 1, video 2, and video 3. Now, if you've already received that, I recommend that you start to load up and get them slowly over time to improve your game. These are all the toolboxes, all the tools that you need for your toolbox, okay? My personal favorite is the double trigger, okay? But when you're playing this double trigger, I do have a rule that you need to concentrate on, okay? This one's very popular. This is the Baccarat 2026 Killer. A lot of people like the Genius Wager. But, you know, all of them are good, guys. Just like I said, this one is probably the safest one that you could get. The Baccarat Jimmy's Way system. Very safe way to play. Very high win rate. But they're all really good. I feel this one will get you off the table really quickly. Baccarat Winner Plus one strategy. That's a good one. But I have so many of them, guys. Just take a look at what you want. Try them out. They'll really help your game. But make sure you start with this one. If you already got this one, fine. Grab some other ones that we went over. But this one is the priority, okay? All right, guys. Let's get back to the free tutorial. Thank you for giving me a moment to show you guys that. Zero. Okay, 7-0. Player is just not slowing down. Wow, I don't think we've ever had a start like that so far. All right, keep rolling with it. We have a 2. Okay, they're going to be reduced to a 3, right? And we have a 2. And they have a 0. Holy crap, we won again. 2-0. Wow. Player is on fire, dude. Oh, actually, we win again. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and press this now, okay? I'll press it on player. I mean, this is crazy. That's 7 in a row. 7, great score. And they're going to be reduced to 6. They have a 6 and we have a 7. I think that's all she wrote. Yeah, that's it. Yep. That's all she wrote. We win. Okay, we get one more black. All right, man. Let's press it. Why not? Nah. I don't want to do that. I'm going to take the black away. Okay? Just one black. One black. Here we go. I mean, I can't imagine this thing just keeps winning forever. Like, this is crazy. Yeah, there it is. It's going to end right there. Okay? It's going to end right there. We should have went 2 green, but that's okay. At least we reduced it from 2 to 1. All right. I was getting a little carried away there. Wow, look at that, guys. We've never had that happen. That's crazy. That is crazy. All right. So here's the deal. We're going to really push and go for bank now, okay? So we're going to basically focus with bank, and we're going to keep riding bank for a little bit. Okay, we have an 8. They have a natural 8, and we're going to be reduced to a 7. So we're going to lose there. Okay, so player is going to fight right back. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go 1 black on bank. Wow, a 9 to a 7. Holy crap. Player is just killing it, bro. Wow. All right, I'm not going to fight it. I'm not going to sit here and try to be stubborn now. We'll go 2 green on player. Okay, this is going to be reduced to a 3, and this is a 5. This is a natural, or not a natural 9. This is just a regular 9. All right, we got a 3. Oh, my God, that was a good card for them. They just tied it. I thought we had that one in the bag, man. I thought for sure we had that one in the bag. All right, we're going to have this one in the bag. 8 to 1. So we're going to get back 2 of the green. Okay, player continues to roll here, guys. All right, let's go with player. Let's press it a little. 0, 0, 3, 0, 3, 0. What the heck is going on? This is crazy. All right, let's put this back. Let's put this back. And let's go with 2 green. There's a 1, 0, 4 to 3. Player continues. This is crazy. So guys, in what you guys are seeing right now, this is just random things that happen in the game. Sometimes what you try to do is you try to go against what's happening because you think, oh, this is not possible. This is not mathematically possible. I'm going to start focusing on banker. Now, believe me, when banker does hit, I definitely am going with banker. But what you witnessed is that when I was wrong and I was going against it and I started to lose, you saw me say, okay, time not to be stubborn here. You know, don't think that, oh, I'm going to keep doing this and I'm going to keep going bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Yeah, don't mess with that, man. You can't beat the simulated code, bro. You can't beat it. All right, so we're going to just go with 2 green. Now, I won't be able to show you the things that I show you in training. Wow, look at that. Okay, this is going to win with a 5. So we finally lose with player. All right, so here, I am going to tell you why I like bank here, okay? All right, I am definitely going to go with banker here. The reason why is just a mathematical thing that players got to get some wins, right? Or banker's got to get some wins. I mean, it's just been a complete crazy domination by bank. All right, but we don't want to go crazy or anything like that. I'll go with 1 black, okay? Okay, that's going to be reduced to a 3, and that's a natural 9, so that's great. All right. So we're going to get that one. And we do get a little drop for bank. We're going to stay with bank. We're going to reduce it to 2 green. If we win this, we'll press bank. Okay, that's a 9, so we're not going to win no more. We have a good score too, 7 to 9, but we're going to lose. All right, no problem. All right, so player is by far the dominant side right now, okay? It is definitely the dominant side right now, okay? All right, so let's see where we are, and we'll see what we want to do. Okay, so we have a full rack here. All right, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's see what we're short here. Let's get 2 black for green. We need 8 green, right? All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And now we'll see where we are with our green rack. And good, we've got more than we can fit. Okay, so here's the deal. I'm going to get change for these 4 green because I got too many. All right, so the bottom line is we're up 3 black, okay? All right, so what I'm going to do now, so this is just what I call my walk-off. I do this every single time I play. And I never stop doing it until it's successful so I can go, okay? Now, you can take it or you can go for the walk-off. You can do whatever you want. It's your decision. We're going to go with the hot hand. Can player get 1 more so I can get off this table? 0, 0. Natural 9, baby. We cannot lose. It's over, and it just worked out with player. It was a dominating board. We had no reason to pick banker there. That would kind of been foolish. And boom, player comes down again. What an incredible run for player. And we're going to walk out of here today, guys, with our 6 black units. This is everything that we started with. And there you go. Every session that we do is different. It's just natural, it's live footage. It is what it is. Whatever comes out, just like when you go to the casino, it's the same, you know. But today was a great board for us to be successful. There wasn't really much of a challenge here. We did try to fight it a little bit, and we lost about maybe 2 black units, and then we said, screw this. Let's just go what the board is telling us to do, okay? And that's why sometimes when you're playing a specific strategy, sometimes you need to still use common sense to say, well, I like the strategy that I'm doing, but I'm not a robot, okay? I understand the strategy. So you got to understand what happens. We just lost our lighting. So you got to understand what happens is that strategies are great. They're tools in the toolbox, right? But you got to remember that in specific moments of the game, you have to kind of do what the board is doing and go that route, unless the strategy that you're doing is what the board is doing, okay? So keep that in mind, all right? So that's the more you watch and the more training that you get, the better off you're going to be in the long run in this game, okay? I am going to be putting together some new training videos for you guys, and I'll let you know when those are ready. Right now, if you haven't got any of my training, I highly recommend that you start catching up with, to improve your game, okay? Thanks for watching, everybody. Give me a like before you go on the video. Helps the channel. If you haven't subscribed, subscribing is for free, and it helps the channel. I appreciate it if you like this type of content. Have a wonderful day, and good luck at the casino.